Yeah, good morning, everyone. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so I think now, so yesterday we discussed on
While loop.
while loop, right? Yeah. So now, let me give you one more example, then we can close while loop, guys. Okay. So here, I'm taking one example. Int x is equal to, okay, 10. And after that, int y is equal to 20. Okay. And int c is equal to 30. Okay. Something I'm taking. So here, what I'm doing, while loop. Okay. So while, okay, while x less than 20. While x less than y. Understand? If y x less than y, then system dot out dot println now. Okay, system dot out dot println now something I want to print, hello or something. Fine. So now this is the one statement. Okay. And after that, here only I'm writing one more while. Okay. So while loop. Yeah. Now int final int. Okay. Final int a is equal to 5. Okay. So after that, final int b is equal to 15. Okay. Int c is equal to fine. Int c is equal to 25. Okay. Int c is equal to what, guys? 25. Here, this is z, guys. Okay. So now, here, what I'm taking, okay. So here directly I'm writing while true. Okay. Just I'm writing while true, or else you can put while a what, a less than b. Okay. So here system dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of, just I'm trying to print, okay, a plus b, guys. A plus b. Okay. And after the system dot out dot println of, okay, a plus c. Okay. That's it. Now tell me what is the answers here. This is the example. Okay. Now tell me here what is the output, guys, here. Okay. See here what happened, int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 20, int z is equal to 30. Guys, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now here what I'm taking, while x less than y. While x less than y means what? True. Right? While
True.
x less than y means what? True. See, actually what happened, so x is what, guys? Normal variable. It's not a constant, right? Right. Y also what? Normal variable. It's not a constant. Z also what, guys? Normal value. It's not a constant. So here, y after compilation, okay, after compilation, here after compilation, the first one, here after compilation, what will be the value? Okay, x less than y only. Understand? X less than y only after compilation. Okay, it's compiled successfully. After compilation, x less than y will become what? X less than y only. So when this x less than y, this what you call evaluation will be, I mean this condition will be evaluated at runtime. Okay, at runtime it will verify. So what is the x value? 10. What is the y value? 20. Because what?
20.
These are normal values. Normal values means we can be changed, right? Anytime can be changed. So that's why at runtime it will verify. Okay, at runtime it will become what, guys? At runtime it will become x is 10, right? X is 10,
10.
y is what? 20. So like this, at runtime the value will be replaced, guys, here. Okay, at runtime it will verify. Yes, 10 less than 20, true. Okay, if it is true, then output will become what? Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so like that it will print. Clear? Come on.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you see other final int a is equal to 5, final int b is equal to 15, int c is equal to 25. Okay, if you see this, while a less than b, understand? While a less than b, so we will see what is the statement. Here, after compilation, right?
Yes.
After compilation,
It's to
after compilation, okay, a less than b. A means what, guys? Here, a means what? It's a
5.
constant, compiled constant. Final keyword means what? Constant. We cannot
Constant.
change any value, right? So we cannot change, we cannot assign any other value for constant variable, right? So now after compilation, okay. So here we are no need to wait until runtime, guys. After compilation only it will verify. Okay. So after compilation, what is the value here? 5 less than 15. Understand? 5 less than 15. Where? After compilation only. No need to wait for runtime. Understand? This is what after runtime. At runtime. Okay. This is what after compilation only 5 less than 15. Come on, everyone.
Yes.
We are no need to wait for for until runtime, guys. Here. So now here tell me now a less than b. True or false? True. So
True.
here, okay, a plus b, right? So here a plus b after compilation, okay. Here what is the value, guys, in this statement? After compilation only, okay. Here a plus b, right? System dot out dot, this statement will become what? System dot out dot println of a is what? 5, right? Plus
5 plus 15.
15. Understand? Where? After compilation only. Okay, no need to wait for what? At runtime. Okay, but here see this one, a plus c. Here a is what? Constant. C is what? Normal value.
Normal.
Okay, so after compilation, what is this statement will become? System dot out dot println of, okay, system dot out dot println of a is what, guys? Constant. So 5. Constant means what? At compile time only the actual value will be replaced because this is a constant. Okay. So after that, what is the value? C. C is what? Normal value. See, normal value means what? At runtime only the value will be replaced. After compilation, okay, like this, guys. C will become C only. Okay. Here at runtime, the value will be replaced. How?
5 plus
System dot out dot
25.
println of 5 plus
25.
25. At what time? This is runtime. Okay. After at runtime or else. Clear? At runtime, 5 plus 25. Understand?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. If at least one variable is normal value, then compiler will not perform any operation, guys. Understand? Perform that operation. Understand? If everything is compile time constant, then only compiler is responsible to perform. Okay? I mean these operations. Clear? Those 2 points. Okay? Come on, guys. If everything is compile time constant, then only at compile time only the required operations will be performed, guys. The required operations means what? The actual value will be replaced. Okay? If one variable is normal variable, then at compile time will not perform the complete evolution. At what time will perform? At runtime.
Runtime.
Okay? Hope you people clear. Right? Now we will go for other one, guys. So what is the other one? Do while. Okay? Do while loop. So actually already we discussed while loop. When we will go for while loop, guys? If you don't know the number of iterations in advance, okay? Yes, this is very important. People will ask you, okay? When we will go for while loop. If you don't know the number of iterations in advance, okay? So that time, okay? So better suitable loop is what? While loop. Okay? So now, do while. Do while means what? If you want to execute loop body at least once, then we should go for what? Do while loop. See, if you consider while loop, okay, first what, guys? Condition we will verify, right? Condition we will verify. If condition is true, then only loop body will be executed. This is what, guys? Loop body, right? This is what? Loop body. This is what? Loop body, right? So when it will execute, if condition is true, here, if condition is true, then only control will come inside the loop. Then the loop body will be executed. If condition is false means what? Okay, control will not come inside the loop body, while loop body, then the loop body will not be executed. Clear? So this is what, guys, while loop. Okay, so here a loop body may execute, may not execute. Understand? The loop body may execute, may not execute. Why? Based on condition only, the loop body will be dependent. If condition is true, then loop body will execute. If condition is false, then loop body will not be executed. Right? Here, there is a chance of execution of loop body 0 times. Right? There is a chance of execute loop body 0 times also. Why? The first time itself, if condition is false, then loop body will not execute. Come on, everyone. Right? But I want, okay, there is a requirement. What is the requirement? At least once loop body has to execute. Understand? At least once loop body has to execute. So for that time, what is the other option, guys? We have do while. So by using do while, if you want to execute loop body at least once, then we should go for what? Do while loop. Okay. So let me write, guys. Come on. If we want to, tell me, along with me, tell me. If we want to execute loop body,
At least once.
at least once, okay? At least once, then we should go for what?
Do while loop.
Yes, do while loop. Understand? Do while loop. Right. So what is the syntax of do while loop? Okay. We will see syntax, guys. Here, syntax will be okay. Do. Okay. Do, and after that body, guys. Okay. Do. These are what, guys? Body. Okay. This is what? Body, guys. Here condition. While here what? Condition. After condition, semicolon should be mandatory. Okay. So this is the syntax of what? Do while loop. Okay. So here always, okay, here condition always should be what type? Condition. Okay. Condition evaluated type. Evaluated result type. Okay. Result type always should be what? Come on, always should be which type?
Boolean.
Boolean type. Okay, if you take any other type, we will get compile time error. Incompatible type. Okay. See, this is the syntax of do while. Okay. So how it will work? Do. Let's suppose if you write some statements here under do while loop body. Okay. So first of all, what? All the statements will be executed first. Okay, whether it is condition is true or false. Why we are checking condition where? At last, right? Here we are checking condition, right? Here we are checking condition. At last we are checking condition. So mean all the time the body will be executed under do while loop, under do, right? If you put how many lines of code, all the lines of code will be executed at first time. After that we are checking condition here. If condition is true, okay, if condition is true, then what? Again, control will go to this body, guys. Do. Understand? If condition is true, then again, control will go to whom? This do, guys. Okay. If condition is true. If true. If condition is true, then again, control will go to do. Again, all these statements will execute. Okay. After that, again, what? While. Okay. Again, condition will check. If condition is true, then again, control will go to do block and all the statements will execute. Again, finally, what? Condition will check. If condition is true, even that time also, again, control will go to whom? Do block and all the statements will execute. Now, again, condition is here checking. So let's suppose if condition is false. If condition is false means what? Control will come out of the do while loop. Clear, everyone? How it will work? This is the syntax of do while, guys. Okay. And how it will work, guys? So first of all the statements will be executed first. So after that, end of the do, we are checking condition, while condition. If condition is true, then again control will go back to do block and again all the statements will execute. And finally, while condition will verify. If condition is again true, then again control will go to do block and all the statements inside the do block will be executed. Okay. And finally, condition will be checked. Again, condition will true, then again control will go to do block and all the statements inside the do block will execute. Okay. So finally it will verify what? Condition. Now this time condition is false. If condition is false means what? The control will come out of the do while loop. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here curly braces are also optional. Already we discussed, right? So except switch statement, okay, all the for loop, all the control flow, okay, what are the control loop statements we have, right? For everywhere, curly braces are optional, guys. Okay, curly braces are optional, and without curly braces, only one statement is allowed between do and while, which should not be declarative statement. Right? So that one only we discussing. Okay. So from even if block also we verified, we see, and even while loop also we discussed the same point, right? Curly braces are optional, and without curly braces, only one statement is allowed between do and while, okay, which should not be what? Declarative statement. You want me to write the statement? Let me write then. Here also, curly braces are optional. Okay. without curly braces, without curly braces, we can take
Only one.
Without curly braces, only one statement is allowed. Only one statement is allowed between what?
While.
Do and while. And that should not be what? That should not be declarative statement. Declarative statement. Fine?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Now, so I'm taking here few examples. I'm giving do. Okay. I'm giving do. Yeah, system dot out dot println of. Okay. System dot out dot println of. Okay. Something I'm writing. Let me print hi. Okay. And after that, what I'm doing here? While
While.
true. While true. Understand?
Yes.
While true. So this is what, guys, see here. I'm not taking any curly braces, right? So without curly braces, how many statements are allowed between do and while? Only one
Only
statement.
Statement.
That should not be what? Declarative statement. Here system dot out dot println of I. This is not a declarative statement.
Yes.
Valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the answer? We will see hi.
Hi.
Okay. Come on.
Yes.
Hi we will print, right? So now, now given do and while. Okay. Do. Just if I remove this statement here. If I remove this statement, I'm putting only here semicolon. This one also valid or invalid? Do semicolon while of true. This one also valid, guys. So here already we discussed that the semicolon. The semicolon is also valid Java statement.
Yes.
Okay. So this is not a declarative statement, right? Semicolon means.
No, sir.
Okay. This is also what? Valid, guys. Okay. People will give you, I mean, in interview, maybe you have any written test. Okay. People can give these kind of questions also to test, okay, internal things of do while and all. Okay. Now, so now I'm taking one more example here. So, so here do I'm taking, okay, and after that int x is equal to 10 I'm taking, okay, and after that while loop here I'm taking true. Okay, tell me this is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. Why invalid? So int x is
Declarative.
equal to 10 was declarative statement. Okay, declarative statement are allowed and are not allowed? Not allowed.
Not allowed.
So that is what? Invalid. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at the same time, if I'm taking like this, do int x is equal to 10. Okay. Now, while true. Sai Teja, tell me what is here? Output valid or invalid? Sai Teja.
Valid.
Valid. Why valid? Even here we are taking what? Declarative statement.
Declarative.
But here what we are taking? Curly braces.
Curly braces.
So, okay, valid. Understand? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you don't write any curly braces, only one statement is allowed. That should not be declarative. If you take curly braces means what? You can take any statement. Clear?
Yeah.
Everyone, clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So now I'm taking one more statement, guys. Okay. So here, just I'm writing do and finally while of true. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid, sir.
This is invalid. Why invalid? Okay. Here, under do and while, should we take at least one statement, right? Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to take what? If you are not taking any curly braces, without curly braces, only one statement allowed. Okay. But here I did not write any statement, right? Do
No,
while
sir.
true. What is the use of this? Right? So between do and while, definitely there should be some statement. So that's what we are going to do, right? If you want to execute the body of while loop at least one, then we have to go for what do while. But here I'm not writing any body. Okay, so that's what here what this is a invalid. Okay, come on guys, everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Two. Okay, here I'm writing uh, system dot out dot println of something called I am print. Okay, system dot out dot println of I am printing, and after that, okay, sorry. While of true I'm giving directly. Okay, while of true I'm giving. Then after that I'm printing system dot out dot println of hello. Clear?
Yeah.
Tell me what is the output here?
Hi. Hi. Then after hello.
Hi, then after hello, na? How hello will print, Vignesh? How the do while will execute? How the do while will execute?
Condition is true.
Hmm? Do you see hello will execute? A lifetime
no,
hello
no.
will not be execute. Understand?
If after
Why here?
it
While
is blocked
true.
up,
While true means what? Condition is always true. Always true means what? Only do block only. I mean the body of the do block only will execute. Understand? So there is no chance of execute hello statement. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right, guys? There is no chance of execute what? Hello statement. So what is the flow of execution of do while? The first do block will execute, after that while condition. If condition is true, again control will go back to where? Do block.
Again do
Again condition will check. If condition is true, again condition will go back to do block.
Yes.
Okay. Here always condition is true. Means there is no chance of execute after
Hello.
any, if you have any statements after while, do while, there is no chance of execution of those statements. So here system dot out dot println of hello, what it is? Unreachable statement. Understand? Unreachable statement. Remember, I think yesterday in while loop also we discussed these kind of scenarios. Come on. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now one more example I'm taking. Okay. So what is the other example? So no. Okay. Now do block. This is do block. Okay. So in the do block, just I'm taking system dot out dot println of. Okay. System dot out dot println of. I am taking. Okay. System dot out dot println of I. Now in the while loop. Okay. While loop, what I'm taking, guys? False I'm taking. Okay. False I'm taking. Now system dot out dot println of. Here I'm taking hello. Okay. What is the output, guys, here now?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, na? That is the output. Guys, I don't know whether you guys are understanding or not. So do while loop, see, we discussed, right? How the do while will execute. What is the output here?
Hi, hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi and hello.
Hello.
How can you guys say only hello? What is the do while actually? Irrespective of condition, all the statements inside the do will execute first, right? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir. Hi, hello.
Okay. All the
Yes,
statements inside the
sir.
do block will execute first, irrespective of condition. So first, what will happen? Control will execute do block. So how many statements we have in do block? Only one statement.
One statement.
What is that one? Hi.
Hi.
System.out.println of hi. Hi will print. After that, here what we are checking condition.
And
While if condition is true, again
Control will
do
go
block
to
will
do
execute. Understand? Okay, if condition is false, then what will happen? Control will come out of the do while loop. And after that, what is the other statement we have? System.out.println of hello. And after that, what will print? Hello will print. Clear? Let me give you one more example. I think if people are not understanding. So here, int a is equal to 10. Okay. Now, int b is equal to 20. Right? So now, in the do block, system.out.println of a I am printing. After the system.out.println of b I am printing. And system.out.println of a plus b I am printing. Okay. And after that, system.out.println of okay. Guys, understand do while. Okay. Like that I'm printing. Okay. These are what, guys?
Do statements.
Do statement. So finally, I'm putting what? Condition. Okay. What is the condition here? A less than B. Okay. And after the system.out.println of okay. Yes, we understood. Okay. Something like. Right. Here, tell me what is the output. Do while means what? First do block will execute. Okay. So now in the do block, so do while means what? First of all, the body of the do while block will execute first, irrespective of condition. So later condition will verify, right? So now, first of all, what int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. Fine. Now, system.out.println of a. What is the first statement under do block? Okay. First of all the time this block will execute, right? Come on. All the time this block will execute, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So now, system.out.println of a. What is the output here? 10.
10.
After that, what is the statement? System.out.println of b. What is the value here?
20.
20. Now here what? 30.
20.
Okay. Now this is the next statement. Guys, understand do while question mark. Okay. This is the next statement will execute. After that condition. Okay. After that condition. Now it will verify a less than b. Okay. A is what? 10. B is what? 20. A less than b. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. If condition is true, again control will go to what? Do block.
Do block.
Again, do block. What is the system.out.println of? What is the first statement? System.out.println of a. Again, it will print what? 10. Understand?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me write here.
Yes, sir.
The first 10, 20, 30. Okay. And after that, guys, okay. Understand? Do while. This is the first iteration output. Next, second iteration output what? Again, same. Right? Again. If condition is true, again control will go back to what? Do block. In do block, what is the first statement? System.out.println of a. A means what? 10. After that, 20. After that, 30. After that, same. Okay? This statement. After that, what it will verify? Again, condition. What is the final statement here? Condition it will check. What is the condition again? A less than B means what? True only. Right? If true means what will happen? Again, control will go back to do block. Again, all the statements in the do block will execute. Right? Now, what is the statements now? Again,
10, 20, 30 guys.
the same
Same
output.
output.
The same output you will see. Again, condition will check. Again, same output you will see. Understand?
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
guys. Here, there is no chance of yes, we understand. But here, we will not get any compile time error. Why we will not get any compile time error? Because this actual value, when it will be replaced, guys, at runtime. Come on, already we just discussed it, right? Here, int A, int B is what? It's a normal value. It's not a compile time constant, right? If not a compile time constant means when the actual value will be replaced at compile time or at runtime?
Runtime.
At runtime will place. So that's why here we will not see any compile time errors. Here system.out.println, yes, we understand this is what unreachable statement only. So always this is the output. If you execute this program, always you will see this one is the output actually. Because what here A less than B means what? True only. Understand? Come on.
Yes,
This
sir.
statement will not execute. But you will not see any compile time error. Why you will not see any compile time error like unreachable statement? Because here A and B what? Normal values. There may be chance of assigning some other values. Okay. Because these are not a constant.
Constant.
So that's what compiler will not send any compile time errors. Because actually for normal values, when the actual values will be replaced guys at runtime. Now, if I put here final. Okay. So here, what is the output, guys? What is the output? If I put final. Sweta. Come on, fast, guys. Wasting time. Sweta, are you there? Sweta.
Sir.
Tell me what is the output here? If I put
Same, sir.
final.
10, 20, 30 and
Yeah,
guys understand over.
Yeah, good. Okay, excellent. So now, even now also, what is the output, guys? Same output. Okay. Now, if I put final here, Jyotika, what is the output now? Jyotika Valli. If I put final here, what is the output? See now, final int A is equal to 10, final int B is equal to 20. Yesterday you attended class, right? Jyotika?
Sir.
Yeah, tell me now. What is the output now?
Error, sir.
Error. What is error?
Unreachable code.
Unreachable statement. Understand what is the unreachable statement? Yes, we understand. So this is will become what? Unreachable statement. Clear, everyone? Why it is unreachable statement now? Here what? Int A and B. This is compile time constants. So compile time constant means when the actual value will be replaced at the compile time only. Okay. Here at compile time, A will become what? 10. B will become what? 20. 10 less than 20. Always it is what? True. If always it is true, compile it, it will check. Hey, this is always true. Then how this statement will execute? Understand? Through unreachable statement. Clear? So always true. Always true means what? There is no chance of execute this statement. At compile time only it is verifying. Right? There is no chance of executing this statement. Because what? This is always true. If always true means, so this is the output you will see. Okay. So here, if you write any statement here, that statement will not execute. Okay. Who will verify all these things? Compiler only. Because here, A less than B, this value 10 less than 20 at what time? Compile time only it will be replaced. Because these are what? Compile time constant. Okay. So this time you will get what, guys? Compile time error. Unreachable statement. Okay. You should be active, guys. Even yesterday we discussed, right? No, we did not discuss, I think, 2 days back. Just yesterday only we discussed the statement. But still you guys are not telling properly means what I can do. Hmm? Fine?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm giving one more example, then we will close this do while. Okay? Here. See here, 2 examples we discussed. Okay? Without final, with final. We have to practice. Now, final int age equal to 10 I'm taking. Okay? And final, okay, int b is equal to 20 I'm taking. Okay? Now, in do while, okay, in the do while, just I'm writing system.out.println now. Let me write simple one. Okay? Hello. Okay? Just I'm writing what? Hello. Now, in the while loop, what I'm taking guys here, okay, A, let me take greater than B now. Okay, A greater than B. And after that, I'm writing one statement called system.out.println now, something called I. Okay, fine. System.out.println of I. So here, do while, right? Block has to block. Close. Now I'm asking Sai Teja, tell me what is the output here. Think and tell. Sai Teja. Sai Teja, can you hear me? You are speaking in mute, it seems. Sai Teja, are you there?
Yes.
Tell me, what is the output here?
In the do statement will first
Tell me, what is the first statement?
hello.
Hello. So, hello will print. This is what system.out.println, right? Means what? We are printing. We are
First.
telling, hey, print this message in console. In console, hello will print. After that,
Condition will check.
Condition will check. What is the condition?
False. A greater than B.
False. False means what will happen?
It will come outside the do block.
Do block. After come out of the do while block, what is the next statements? Do we have any other
I.
statements? Yeah. So we
System
have
dot out.
other statement called hi. Understand? Now
Yes.
I will print. Everyone clear? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So like this, okay. Do while will work, guys. Okay. So like this, do while will work. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here people may ask you, okay. So when we will go for while loop, when we will go for do while loop. Now tell me, when we will go for while loop, when we will go for do while loop, who will tell? Come on, guys, tell me. When we will go for while loop, when we will go for do while loop, guys. Actually, I will tell you, okay? A real world scenario, I will tell you, okay? See, when we will go for while loop, when we will go for do while loop. So technically, okay, so if you don't know the number of iterations in advance, okay, if we don't know the number of iterations in advance. Okay, so we will go for what? Okay, we will go for what?
While loop.
While loop, right? So that is the what? While loop. Fine. Now do while. So do while. So in the while loop, what? First while loop, the condition will be verified, then only body will execute. Okay. If the condition is verified, after condition verifying, the body, okay, will be execute of while loop. Clear? If condition is true, then only the body will execute. If condition is false, means what? Body will not execute. Now, coming to do while. So coming to do while, okay, if you want to execute, okay, body at least once, then we will go for what? Do while loop. So in the do while, first body will execute first time. After that, finally condition will verify. If condition is true, again the body will execute. If condition is false, then control will come out of the do while block. Clear? The first statement? Clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, while loop. Real time actually, I think yesterday also I told you. So if you don't know the number of iterations advance, so what is the best examples? Okay, in the database. Let's suppose our Java application will communicate with database, guys. Okay, I'm writing here. Okay, so here, while loop, right? So while loop, what? Here, I want to, okay, I want to retrieve the data from the database. I want to retrieve the data from the database. Let's suppose there is a employee, okay, employee table, guys. In the employee table, okay, we have what? EMP ID, okay, just EMP name, okay, let's suppose EMP salary. These are the two columns we have. Here employee ID 101, employee name Santosh, employee salary 10,000. Understand? So like this we have, right? Next one, employee ID 102, employee name Vignesh, employee salary 20,000, right? So like this, what we will have all the employee IDs. Come on, this is the employee table. Let me write 102, okay, Vignesh 20,000. So like this is the table. So this table, how many columns we have, how many employees we have, okay? So let's suppose 1 lakh employees are there, or 2 lakhs employees are there. Okay. So now, what is my scenario? From Java application, I want to fetch, okay, all the employee records. All the employee records, okay, the salary less than 1 lakh. The employee salary, okay. So, if, I want to verify, I want to check all the records, okay, the employees who are having less than 1 lakh salary. Understand? That is my what? My requirement. So, do we know how many employees are there below 1 lakh? We don't know. Understand? Because what? 2 lakhs employees are there. So, salary is what? Confidential. No one will tell, right? Salary, right? No one will tell how much salary they are getting, the employee in the department. Okay? So that is what? Highly confidential. So, we don't know how many employees are there, okay, whose salary is less than 1 lakh. So maybe 10,000 will come, maybe 100,000 records will come, okay, to match that criteria. Okay, for matching that criteria, we may get what? 1,000 records, we may get what? 2,000 records, we may get what? 10,000 records, or we may get 50,000 records. We don't know. Here, see, do you know number of iterations? How many records we have? Do we know? We don't know. Come on, everyone. So by this time, we will go for what? While loop. Understand? So here, how we will write while loop means, okay. So while, directly we are taking while, here condition. So what is the condition? Result set object we have, guys. Okay. So we will discuss while discussing what is the result set object, what is connection statement, what is statement object, okay. What is real result set object. All these things we will discuss, okay, while discussing JDBC concept. Yeah, result set object. This result set object is what, guys? Pointing, okay, all the records, guys, here. Now, the result set object is pointing to where? The top of the record, like here. Like this, it will point. Okay. The top record, it will point here. Not only top record, the columns we have, right? So here, like this result set object is point. I mean, the result set object contains all the records. Okay, this result set object contains all the records. Now, here, what is the method? While rs dot next. While rs dot next. Rs dot come on. Rs dot next method. Okay, so what happened here? Yeah, okay. If rs dot next method, here what we are doing? Okay, we are fetching all the values. Okay, result set dot get first name, get id, that value we are checking what, another object. Here we are processing. Okay, those statements, okay, we will discuss later. We may not understand now. This is the body. So here what I'm checking, while result set dot rs dot next. Rs dot next means what? This is a result set object. So when you call result set dot next method, this is the next is the method, guys. Where it is available, instance method. Where it is available in result set class. Okay, so that's what, by using result set object we are calling what? Next method. So what it will give internally, it will verify. So in the selected records, okay, rs dot next record is available or not. Okay, here what? Two records are there. Let's assume the first record is available or not. Yes, record is available. Now it will give you what? True. If it is true means what? We will fetch the first record and we will process. Okay, we will process this first record. Where we will process related logic, we will write under this while loop. Come on. So after completion of this process, again what? Control will back to while loop. Condition. Again it will check condition rs dot next. Now this point where it will be there now, it will point to first record now. Okay, first record is completed. Now rs dot next means what? It will verify. So even next record is there or not there, like that it will verify. Okay, so next record is there or not there? There means it will give what? True. If it is true means what? This particular record will take and will process here. Where in while loop? That logic we will write in while loop. Understand? So this is the best example where you write while loop. Clear, everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now do while. If you take do while, so let me take. I mean, here we will tell one example. So where we can write do while. Okay. So let me do. In the do while. Okay. So first of all, what we are checking whether condition is true or not, right? If condition is, first of all, what we need to execute, okay, the first statement. Come on, guys. Even the first time also we have to execute, right? Do while means what? The statements what we have in the do block, always it will execute. Okay. Come on. Do while means what? The statements what we have written under do block will execute at least once. Come on, guys. That's
Yes,
what,
sir.
right? At least once it will execute. After that, condition it will verify. Okay. After that, condition will verify. Okay. So in that case, what we will go for do while. If you want to execute the lines, okay, the statements under do while block at least once, then we will go for do while loop. Okay, first of all, what all the statements will execute first, and after that condition will be checked. Okay, if condition is true, then again, okay,
It will go to do.
do block, and after that it will verify. Okay, so that is what do while. Okay, so this is what do block, do while block, guys. Okay, understand, right? What is the difference between while and do while?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
so now we will go for what next iteration called for loop. Tell me, for loop. What is the syntax of for loop, guys? I think most of the people knows, right? Syntax. I'm writing syntax guide directly. What is the
For.
syntax? First, for loop.
For data
Hmm.
type.
The first one,
Initialization into data type.
initialization section, guys. First what, guys? Initialization section. And this is not column, semicolon. After that, what, guys? Condition.
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 Okay. This is what? Condition expression. Okay. Condition expression you can take. Condition expression. Finally, what? Increment or decrement.
Increment.
Okay. Increment or decrement. After that, we will close. This is okay. So here what? The body. For loop body. Okay. Finally, what? We'll close the for loop. This is the syntax, guys. Come on, this is the syntax, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, here also curly braces. Curly braces also optional, guys. Okay. So without curly braces, how many statements we can take? Only one statement, and that should not be what? Declarative statement. The same thing. Okay. So I think no need to explain. Right. Now, see how the for loop will execute, guys. First of all, control Sai Teja, please listen here. First of all, control will come for loop, right? So it will check first initialization section. Okay. What is the first step, guys? Here, let me write. This is first step. First step, initialization. First of all, which statement will execute here? Initialization section statement will execute first. Okay. After that, again, control will go to condition, guys. Understand? Control will go to condition. So condition statement will execute. Okay. Clear? If condition is true, then only here condition means what? Always the evaluation, the result type, the evaluated result type always should be what? Come on, Boolean. Okay. Boolean. Result should be Boolean type. Okay. If you take any other type mod, you will get compiled error. Right? This is what second step. After, if condition is true, then tell me what will happen. Here, body will execute. Okay. If condition is true, then body will execute, guys. This is what third step. After body completion, body means what? Within the curly brace to closed curly brace. This is what body, right? So once this body is executed successfully, completely executed, then control will go to home increment decrement section. Understand? Control will go to increment decrement section. Come on. Now, if increment decrement section after completed, again control will go to whom? Condition. Okay. Control will go to condition. Come on, guys. Control will go to whom? Condition. Now, if condition is true, again control will go to where? This is third 4. Condition will check. This is which step it is? 5th step. Okay. Fifth step again condition. If condition is true, then control will come inside the body of the for loop. Now here 6th. This is what is 6th. Sixth step. Now after completion of body, again control will go to whom?
Increment.
Okay. Control will go to increment section. Now what is the step here? 7. Okay. Now after increment decrement section, again control will go to condition section. Okay. Now condition section, what is the value now? What is the step here? 8th. Understand? If condition is true, then again
Body.
body. For loop body will execute. Okay. Again after completion of for loop, again where it will go to increment decrement section. Okay. After increment, again it will go to whom? Condition section. If condition is true, again control will come inside the for loop and all the statements inside the for loop will execute. If condition is false here, then control will come out of the for loop.
For block.
Clear everyone? How the for loop will execute?
Yes, sir.
Come on guys.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, right everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Here, this is the what guys most commonly used loop guys in Java. Okay. So which one we are using? This for loop only we are using, okay, regularly. This is the what most commonly used loop in Java. Okay. For loop is the best choice if you know the number of iterations in advance. Understand? When we will go for loop, if you know the number of iterations in advance, which one is best guys? For loop is best. If you don't know the number of iterations in advance, which loop is best guys?
While loop.
If you know the number of iterations in advance, which loop is best? For loop.
For loop.
Understand? So here, condition you are checking, right? Initialization section, condition expression, increment, decrement, and after that body, okay, all the statements. I think already we have written for loop, right? So many times we have written.
Yeah.
So this is normal for loop. Okay, there is a for each. Okay, the for each also we discussed. This is what guys, normal for loop. Okay, execution. Want me to write the statements or not? Let me write those few. What are those few? 2 lines just now we discussed, right? Tell me. This is what happened, guys?
Sir, zoom in, sir.
Huh? No, that's fine, but
Zoom చేయండి సార్ అప్పుడు లోపలికి వెళ్తుంది అది చూపిస్తుంది కింద 15% అన్న
I think okay, fine. Right, guys. Let me write few points here. For loop is okay. Most for loop is what, guys? Most commonly used. Commonly used loop in Java. Okay. And after that, what is the other statement? If you know the number of iterations in advance, then we go for what? Okay. If you know the number of iterations in advance, then we go for loop. Then the best loop, we go for loop. Fine. Okay. So next step. So we will see in the initialization section. Okay. So here, let me write that point also. Curly braces are optional. Okay. Right. Curly braces are optional, and without curly brace, we can take only one statement, and that should not be declarative. Come on, guys. Okay. Clear? So now initialization section, guys. So here, see, the first section is what, guys? Initialization section, right? What is the second section? Condition expression. What is the third section? Increment, decrement. Okay. So now, first of all, we will see what is the initialization section. Okay. Initialization section we will see. Tell me in the initialization section, what we will do, guys? How many times it will execute this initialization section in the for loop?
First time.
Only one time it will execute, guys. Okay. This part will be executed only once. Okay. The initialization section will be executed at what? How many times, guys? Only one time. Okay. Usually we can declare and initialize, okay, local variables for loop in this section. Understand? Here what? We will initialize. Initialization means what? We are initializing, we are declaring one variable, and initialization also we will take in place here. Okay. Here we can declare any number of variables, but should be of the some type, guys. We cannot declare multiple variables of different data types. Okay. So here initialization section means what? Okay. So now here I'm writing int I is equal to 10. Int I is equal to 10. Understand? So this is initialization part I'm talking, guys. Only initialization part. So here what? Int I is equal to 10. So I'm declaring one variable I. So which variable it is? Local variable. Right? How it will become local variable? Because inside the for loop we are declaring. So inside the for loop means what? The scope of this variable is what? Only for the particular for loop.
Yes.
Only particular that for loop block. So it will become what? Local variable, right?
Yes.
Int I is equal to 10. Okay. So here only single type variables only we can declare, guys. Int I is equal to 10. Okay. Int something. Int j is equal to 20. Same type. Okay. So now, come on, guys. So in initialization section, we can take any valid Java statement, including SOP statement also we can take, guys. Understand? Here, any valid Java statement we can take, initialization section. Even SOP statement also we can take. Okay. So what I mean here, for loop I'm taking. In the for loop, int I is equal to 10 I'm taking. This is what? Initialization section. Okay. Initialization section. After that what? Condition. I less than 10 I'm writing. Some condition I'm writing. Here what? After that what? Increment, decrement. I plus plus. Okay. This is what? Increment. Okay. After that for loop. Here something I'm writing system.out.println of. Okay. Something I'm writing. Hello. This is what typically for loop. Right. Here what? Int I is equal to 10. This is initialization section. Okay. So this is what? Condition. This is what? Increment, decrement section. Finally, this is body of the for loop. Okay. So here, which one I'm taking, guys? Int I is equal to 10. This is what? Initialization, declarative statement. Right? This is what?
Yeah.
Declaration statement. So instead of this, I can take normal SOP also. System.out. Here, what is the value you will see? What is the value you will see? Hello.
Hello.
Right? Int I is equal to 10. I less than 10.
Condition is
Hello will print here. What is the answer? What is the output you will see here for particular this program? You will not see any output. I less than 10. I is also 10. 10 less than 10. Condition true or false? False. If condition false means what? Loop come out of the for loop. Control will come out of the this for loop. Understand? Come on, guys. Everyone. Clear? So here I'm taking I is equal to 1. Let me explain you first how the for loop will execute. Then we will see individual sections. I is equal to 1. Okay. I'm taking I is equal to 1. Now see how the for loop will execute. So first of all, int I is equal to 1. Okay. I value what it is 1. Now after that what we are checking? Condition. I less than 10. I is what? 1. 1 less than 10. Condition true or false?
true.
True. If condition true means what will happen? Control will come inside the for loop. What is the value here? Hello. Hello will print. Okay. Hello will print. So after completion of body, again control will go to where? Increment, decrement section. So what is the I value as of now? 1. I plus plus means what? 2. Okay. I value will be incremented to another 1 value. I plus 1. Okay. I value 1. 1 plus 1 means what? 2. Right? So if after increment, decrement section, where control will go to condition.
Condition.
Now I is what? 2. 2 less than 10. Condition true or false? True.
True.
True means what? Control will come inside the for loop and it will print hello again. Right? After that again, where it will go? Control will go to increment, decrement section. So now increment, decrement section, what is the I value now will become 3. 3 less than 10. Condition true. True means what? Again it will print hello. Right? So again, I value incremented. I will become what? 4. 4 less than 10. If it is true, then hello. Right? So like this, how many times it will print, guys? 10 times it will print. Right? Come on. How many times it will print? 9 times or 10 times? 9 times, I think. Okay? It will print like this. It will print, guys. Okay. Finally, I is what? 10. 10 less than 10. Condition true or false? 10 less than 10.
False.
Condition
False.
false. If condition false means what? Control will come out of the for loop. Understand? So like this, for loop will execute, guys. Come on. Everyone is clear? How the for loop will execute?
Yes,
sir. So now I'm giving one more example here. Tell me. Now, here I'm taking for loop. Okay? Here I'm taking for loop. So, int A is equal to 10 I'm taking. Okay? And after that here, system.out.println of system.out.println of, okay? We are learning Java. Something. Okay? And after that, what I have taken here, I less than I value, right? A, right? A less than well, okay. Just I'm taking. After that, what? A plus plus. System dot out dot println. Something I'm writing. Yes, we are learning for Java. Some statement I'm writing here. Don't worry. Okay. So now, are you learning Java? Let me write. Are you learning Java? Fine. So here, what is output, guys? Int a is equal to 10, right? Already we initialized the value 10 to whom? Variable a. Where? Very beginning, right, Sweta? See here, int a is equal to 10, right? So where I'm assigning value, 10 value, very beginning I'm assigning value 10 to whom? Variable a. Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
a become what? 10. So after that here for loop. Here what? System dot out dot println of are you learning Java? So system dot out dot println means what? Console message. So console message, it will print in console. Are you learning Java? Okay, it will print like this. Okay, so after that, what it will check? Condition. A less than 12. What is the A value now? 10. 10 less than 12. Condition true or false? Condition true. If condition true, then control will come inside the for loop. Now, what is the statement inside the for loop? We have
Yes, we are
only
learning.
one
Yes, we are
statement we
learning
have.
core Java.
That is what? Yes, we are
Yes, we are learning core Java.
learning core Java. Fine. Now, after that, where it will go? Control, increment, decrement section. So what is the A will become now? A is 10. A plus plus means what? A will become 11. 11. After increment, decrement section, where control will go? Condition section. So what is the condition here? A less than 12. 11 less than 12. Condition true or false? Condition true. If condition true, control will come inside the for loop. So what is the statement we have? Yes, we are
learning core Java.
Learning core Java. Understand? So now, again control will go to increment decrement section. A plus plus. Now, A will become what? 12. Now again condition. 12 less than 12. Condition true or false? False. False means what? Control will come out of the for loop. So what is the output here? These three are the output. Are you learning Java? Yes, boss, we are learning core Java. Yes, we are learning core Java. Clear, everyone? So here in the for loop initialization section, okay, it need not be always declarative statement, guys. Any valid Java statement also fine. Understand? Any valid Java statement also fine. Understand? So we will not get any error here. Clear, Sweta? Any valid Java statement also fine. See, before that only we are initializing. Int a is equal to 10 already we initialized, right? So what is a will become what? 10 value. Condition we are able to check, right? A less than 12 means what? Come on, right? So
Yes,
here
sir.
in the for loop,
Understood, sir.
we can access a value right here. A value we can access in for loop. Why? Int a is equal to 10. This is what?
10
Instance variable.
initial. Yes, sir.
Instance variable we can access within the class everywhere.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So even see, if I'm removing this statement, okay, and I'm putting only semicolon. Now,
Yeah, we can.
no error. Valid or invalid? Valid. Even now also valid, guys. Valid. Okay. So what semicolon is? Semicolon is valid Java statement. Any
Yes,
valid
sir.
Java statement we can take as part of initialization section. Clear, everyone? In initialization section, we can take any valid Java statement. It need not be any declarative statement. Clear, everyone? Yeah, clear. Right. So this is the output, guys. Okay. So that's what I'm taking. So the installation section executed how many times, guys? Only one time.
Only.
Right? Tell me. The points what we are discussing now, you guys has to tell. The initialization section will be executed
Only one first.
only one time. That is the first statement. What is the second statement here we discussed? We can take any
State statement.
valid Java statement in initialization section. Initialization section, right? We can take any valid Java statement in initialization section. Clear, everyone? And one more thing, this initialization section. So let me write one more example here. So people will ask you guys, okay, these are the questions actually in interview, I mean in your written exam. So for loop, okay, int a is equal to 10 I'm taking. Okay, int a is equal to 10 I'm taking. Okay, int a is equal to 10. B is equal to 20 I'm taking. Okay, so then after that, fine. So here what I'm taking now, A less than B. Understand? A less than B. And after that, here I'm taking what? Let me increment only A value, A plus plus. Okay, A plus plus. Here I'm taking what? System.out.println of, okay, something I'm printing. Let me print hello. Okay. Guys, here when I'm asking in the loop body, in the loop body means what? You can write any Java, valid Java statements. Any valid Java statements means what? You can create one object of one class. Understand? If you want, you can create, okay. You can call methods of that class, particular class, any Java statement, guys. Okay, don't think always should be system.out.println. Okay, understand? In the for loop, the real world, we will not write any system.out.println here. Okay, so here, let's suppose 10 times. I want to call 10 times one method. I want to insert, okay, 10 records. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. Already we reached to 9:48. So we will see tomorrow. Here tell me, system.out.println of hello, guys. Okay, come on. So now tell me what is the answer here? What is the output here?
Hello.
Hello. How many times it will print? Like that you have to tell Sai Teja. What hello? Only hello will print, huh? Only one time, huh?
9 times.
9 times. Understand?
9
See here.
times.
In initialization section, how many variables we are taking? 2 variables. Int a is equal to 10, comma, b is equal to 20. Okay. So like this also we can take in initialization. In initialization part, we can take multiple variable declaration, but all the variables should be same type. Understand? All the variables should be same type. Here, see how many variables we have taken? 2 variables we have taken. But what is the type? Int type only. That's fine. Okay. We can declare multiple variables here in the initialization section. But always, okay, all these types should be same type. Understand? Now, if I take here hello, hello will print, guys. Okay. How many times? Hello, hello. Like this, it will print. Okay, fine. So now, let me take one more example here. The say, forgot to copy. Yeah. Okay, fine. Again, we need to write. So now here for loop I am taking. Okay. In the for loop, int int a is equal to 10 I am taking. Comma int b is equal to 20 I am taking. Okay. I think it will fail. Okay. So now a less than b. Okay. Now a plus plus or b plus a plus plus. So here I'm writing what, guys? For loop system dot out dot println of. Okay. Something called I am printing. Fine. So this is the one, guys. So here I think it will fail. Okay. Int a is equal to 10, comma int b is equal to 20. So this is also initialization section, but here we are taking 2 int only, but here we are defining 2 times int type. Okay. I think it will fail. Okay. So tomorrow, can you please experiment this one? Okay. Just do practice in your laptop and tell me. Okay, whether it is valid or invalid. I think it is invalid. Okay.
Invalid, sir.
Invalid only, na?
Yes,
Sweta.
sir.
I think you are doing right parallelly. Executed,
Yes, sir. Dot class expected it is something, sir.
huh?
Error
Dot-
and dot class accepted, sir. I mean, we initialize two, no, sir.
Hmm.
At a time. I think so. We should not initialize two at a time, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm also saying. This is 2 times we should not use the same type. So that's what I'm thinking, right? It could be invalid. So yeah, it could be invalid, guys, because here what we are doing 2 times we are defining, right? So if you remove int here, then it will be valid. Int a is equal to 10, comma b is equal to 20. Here a also int, b also int. Okay. So like this also we can define multiple variables, guys. Okay. So like this it will work. But if you define int here, then it will fail. Invalid. There is a compile time error. So now here, so I'm taking boolean b is equal to false. Okay. Here also we will get what? Compile time error. Understand? Why? So we cannot take 2 different types, guys, here. In the initialization section of for loop, okay. If you want, you can define, okay, multiple variable declaration you can do, but all the variables should be same type. We cannot take multiple types here. Clear, everyone? So this is also what, guys? Invalid. Okay, this is a compile time error. So invalid means what? Compile time error, guys. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
This is valid. We are getting output hello, hello. Okay. Hope you people understand what is initialization section. Okay. If any question comes under initialization section, you are in the position to answer, right? For initialization section, you can take any Java valid statement, guys, including system.out.println also we can take. Even if you want, you can take only semicolon. Semicolon also in Java valid Java statement only. Clear, everyone? So we can declare multiple variables in initialization section, but all the variables should be same type. Same type. Okay. Clear? If you define two multiple types, you will get compile time error. Okay, guys. So this is what, guys, for loop, guys. Okay. So tomorrow we will see the condition expression and increment decrement. Then we can close for loop. Okay. After this for loop, we will see the for each loop. Okay. And we see other things, other transfer statements we have, right? Break, continue, or something. So tomorrow we will close the complete control flow section. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Any questions?